Okay, so that's pretty much it. The ears still have to be secured. I just used rubber tire. I cut it out with a die out of a pipe. This is a 12 gauge shotgun shell. I was surprised that it just stayed formed the way I bent it around. I'll probably go ahead and put a collar on it. And then I've got this is the footstool I use in the barn for my chair, but I'll probably put it on a log slice or maybe a taller, bigger log. I think that's probably what I'll do to get it up higher so the lady can appreciate it a little more. The ears turned out pretty well. I made them separate. It's just easier and I can give them a little more definition. I think I might go ahead and once I get them secured, I'll want to peg them and glue them. I might go ahead and feather them up like this to meet the head. So there we go. All right, thanks for watching. All right, I've arrived at the house, and she's sitting on the porch with her dog, and so I'm going to lift this out of here and take it over there, and she has to close her eyes. And
what is it, Mom?
You might not be into this. You ready? Go ahead and take your eyes. Watch, I got to pull something off of it.
Oh, isn't that cute?
You really like it?
Yeah, I do.
You can put it on the back porch or wherever.
Well, I'll put it somewhere.
Yeah. Is that you? Not quite. Is he puggy enough? Not quite puggy enough. I think it looks more like a bear, but.
What do you think?
Well, I hope you enjoy it.